Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot. But before we start talking about the income pick for today, I want to let you know that anything you hear in this video is for information and educational purposes only. Investing comes with a lot of risk. To read more about it, please see the description below. And if you want to read more about what John writes on regular basis, you could head directly to incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for some free special reports that we offer to our readers, and they get delivered to your inbox. Investors have been paying a lot of attention to crude oil lately, and for good reasons as well. It is bullish in the back half of the year, but investors shouldn't forget about gas and the petroleum midstream companies that help get the petroleum gas to the market, especially companies like Dorian LPG Ltd, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol LPG, which crushed the market in 2022 and has repeated the performance in 2023. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. In 2022, Dorian stock actually ripped 108% higher, and it's maintained those winning ways in 2023, with LPG stock up around 122% year to date, and even a higher 125% year over year. Now, we're quite fond of Dorian LPG Income Investors, and we've been following them for a couple of years now. Dorian stock has made massive gains this year, but readers of Income Investors, LPG stock is up 186% since we looked at them in February 2022, and LPG stock is up 103% since we looked at them in January 2023. Now, Dorian may be trading near record levels, but even conservative Wall Street thinks it has more room to run with and was providing a 12-month high share price target of $43.50.
And let me ask, why such a bullish take on Dorian?
Well, Dorian is a liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, shipping company and a leading owner and operator of 25 modern, very large gas carriers, or VLGCs. These large vessels are capable of carrying up to 2 million barrels of oil. One of the three largest operators of VLGC tonnage. The average age of Dorian's fleet is 8 years, which is well below the global fleet average of 10.3 years. Dorian LPG has many long-term contracts with some of the energy industry's biggest names, which I think everyone will recognize, including BP, Chevron, Exxon, Phillips 66, and Shell.
I was reading that the second quarter revenue was up 90.5%, and net incomes had a huge jump of 276%.
Yeah, they had a good quarter. For the second quarter, and that's of fiscal 2024, which is ended September 30th, 2023. Dorian announced that revenue, as you said, increased 90.5% year over year to $144.7 million. Now, net income jumped a whopping 276% to $76.5 million, or $1.89 per share, while adjusted net income increased an even more impressive 336% to $75 million, or $1.85 per share. Adjusted EBITDA, meanwhile, advanced 126% to a record $104.5 million. Time charter equivalents, or TCE rate per operating vessel was $65,000, around $130, and that was up 60% from $40,630 in the same period last year. Now, the vessel operating expenses per day for the quarter, which is $10,858.
And there is something interesting that income investors would like here as well. I see that this company declared its 9th irregular dividend.
Yeah, the company's chairman, president, and CEO noted that, and this is a quote, "Following record adjusted EBITDA in the quarter, we declared our 9th dividend, demonstrating our commitment to creating shareholder value while maintaining sensible leverage levels and flexibility for fleet renewal. To that end, the company declared an irregular quarterly cash dividend of $1 per share, which easily works out to $4 on an annual basis for a yield of 10.51%, which is significantly above the inflation rate of 3.7%. And that frothy dividend is safe. Payout ratio is just 62.99%, and that's well below the 90% threshold we're willing to stomach here at incomeinvestors.com.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. Just to recap, what's really not to like about Dorian LPG Ltd right now? It's a great midstream stock firing on all cylinders. It just reported record second quarter results, which included record adjusted EBITDA, reported strong revenue growth, and triple-digit earnings and adjusted earnings growth. Its stock is at record levels, and it just declared 9th irregular dividend. Strong fundamental in the LPG freight market also points to momentum continuing for foreseeable future. And of course, this bodes exceptionally well for Dorian LPG Ltd stock and its ultra high yield dividend. That's it for today. And if you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, head directly to incomeinvestors.com and make sure to go get our free special report on our top 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to the website in the description below. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.